wingman. From San Diego, California, Lieutenant Commander Paul Brontuas. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman, and one of the Marine Corps representatives in the Delta Formation. From Derry, Connecticut, Major Chris Collins. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Warrenton, Virginia, Lieutenant Mark Swinger. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo and other Marine Corps representative in the Delta Formation. From Lapeer, Michigan, Major Nate Miller. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Atlanta, Georgia, Lieutenant Frank Weiser. Wingtip to canopy separation that exists between these 4 aircraft. From the right, the Blue Angel, Diamond. The Diamond is approaching. From maneuver, I'm sure it's familiar. Too many of you have seen the Blue Angels perform in the past. From the right, at 400 miles per hour, the Diamond roll. All 4 aircraft rolling as one in this graceful 360-degree rolling maneuver. Watch as the 3 wingmen smoothly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond. The slow speed handling characteristics of the Hornet in the clean configuration. From the right, the section High Alpha Pass. Closely as Commander McGregor calls smoke on, ready break. Fire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta breakout. It's a beautiful day. Including Navy and Marine Corps pilots, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the right,